18 photos that prove time travel exists. Imagine if you could hop into a time machine, flash back decades or even centuries, and snap a picture. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? Time travel is a concept that has captivated our collective imagination for ages. The idea of stepping into a machine, a portal, or perhaps even a DeLorean, and being transported to a different era is an enthralling notion that has been explored, dissected, and reimagined in countless works of science fiction literature and film. From H.G. Wells' groundbreaking novel, The Time Machine, to the mind-bending adventures of Marty McFly in Back to the Future, time travel has served as a thrilling narrative device that allows us to ponder the what-ifs of history and the tantalizing possibilities of the future. It's a concept that stirs our curiosity, challenges our understanding of the universe, and sparks endless debates about the paradoxes and conundrums that might arise if time travel were indeed possible. Now let's shift gears a bit and think about photographs. What are they, if not our very own personal time machines? Each photograph captures a single, unique moment in time, preserving it for future generations to see. They allow us to look back and relive past memories, to witness events and places we never experienced firsthand, and to reflect on how much has changed, or stayed the same, over the years. But here's where things get really interesting. What if some photographs suggest that time travel isn't just a fragment of science fiction? What if there are images out there that seem to defy logical explanation, that hint at the possibility of time travelers walking among us, captured unknowingly on film? Perhaps they're just anomalies, quirks of the camera, or clever forgeries. Or perhaps there's something more, something that challenges our understanding of time and space. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the unknown, a quest for truth in the face of the inexplicable. We're going to explore a collection of peculiar photographs that might just make you question what you thought you knew about time itself. But what if some photographs suggest that time travel isn't just a fragment of science fiction? Let's delve into this captivating mystery. Photographs freeze moments, allowing us to look back at history. But some photos seem to defy the laws of time. Ever wonder if there might just be a hint of truth in the fantastical concept of time travel? Well, buckle your seatbelts, because today we're delving into the world of anachronisms in photographs. Anachronisms are elements that appear out of place in time, like finding a Roman soldier fiddling with a smartphone. They shouldn't exist in the era the photo was captured. Yet there they are, causing many a raised eyebrow and piqued interest. Let's look at some of these peculiar instances. Our first stop takes us back to the early 20th century, where a group of mill workers are pictured. At first glance, nothing seems out of the ordinary, but look closer, and you'll spot a man wearing what appears to be modern sunglasses and a printed t-shirt. Quite the fashion-forward individual for the time, wouldn't you say? Then there's the famous 1940s photo on the reopening of the South Forks Bridge in Canada. Amongst the crowd of hats and suits, there's one man who stands out. He's wearing a modern printed t-shirt, has a portable camera around his neck, and is even sporting a trendy hairstyle. It's as if he stepped out of a time machine from the future and decided to check out the bridge reopening. And who can forget the intriguing photo from the 1960s, where a woman seems to be holding what looks suspiciously like a cell phone. In an era where rotary dial phones were the norm, this anomaly really stands out. Now, these could all be mere coincidences, errors in perception, or even clever photo editing. After all, the human mind is exceptionally good at finding patterns and connections where there may be none. But it's the mystery, the what-if, that stirs our imagination and keeps us coming back for more. These photos pose questions that tickle our curiosity. Let's explore some more. After all, who knows what other unseen evidence might be waiting to be discovered in the annals of history? Let's journey back to 1941, where we find a man who appears to be way ahead of his time. Picture this. A crowd gathers for the reopening of the South Fork Bridge in Canada. It's a momentous occasion, captured for posterity in black and white. But amidst the sea of fedoras and formal attire, one man sticks out like a sore thumb. He's casually dressed in a modern zip-up hoodie, sporting a graphic t-shirt and wearing shades that would be more at home in a 21st century music festival than a mid-20th century civic event. This man, dubbed the Hipster time traveler, has been the subject of much intrigue and speculation. Now let's get this straight. Time travel, as far as our current science knows, is not possible. But this photograph, widely circulated on the internet, has had conspiracy theorists and curious minds alike scratching their heads. The hipster, as he's been called, seems to be a man out of time, a square peg in a round hole. His clothing, his sunglasses, even his camera, everything about him screams modern day. But could this just be a case of anachronism, an object or person that is chronologically out of place? After all, the sunglasses he's wearing were indeed available in the 1940s, albeit not commonly seen. And the camera in his hands? Well, it's a Kodak folding pocket model, available from the early 1900s. Perhaps our hipster was just a man ahead of his time, a trendsetter in his own right. Maybe he was an eccentric, someone who enjoyed pushing the boundaries of fashion and technology. Or maybe, just maybe, he was a time traveler, a visitor from a future where hoodies and graphic tees are the norm. There's a certain allure to the idea of time travel, of being able to witness history firsthand or catch a glimpse of the future. It's a concept that has fascinated us for generations, fueling countless stories and theories. But until we have concrete proof, all we can do is speculate and wonder. Could he be a time traveler, or is there a simpler explanation? Let's keep investigating. Now, let's travel to 1938, where a woman appears to be holding a device strikingly similar to a modern-day cell phone. In the midst of the Great Depression, as the world was on the brink of another great war, a peculiar incident was captured. It was an ordinary day. A film clip was being shot, and people were going about their business. But among the crowd, a woman stood out. She was holding something that looked uncannily like our present-day cell phones. Yes, you heard it right. A gadget that would not be invented for another half a century seemed to be in the hands of a woman in the late 1930s. This film clip has stirred quite a debate among conspiracy theorists and skeptics alike. The woman in question appears to be talking into the device, much like we do with our cell phones today. Now remember, this was an era when telecommunication was in its infancy. Mobile phones were unheard of, and the idea of handheld devices was pure science fiction. So what could she possibly be holding? Some argue that it was a hearing aid. In the 1930s, Western Electric did produce rectangular, handheld hearing aids. But the woman's gestures and the way she seems to be conversing into the device casts a shadow of doubt over this explanation. Others propose that it could be a portable radio. But again, portable radios of that time were bulky and certainly not fit for a casual chat in the streets. Then, could it be that she was a time traveler, casually flaunting her futuristic device in the past? As outlandish as this idea may sound, it's a possibility that has intrigued many. However, without concrete evidence, the mystery remains unsolved. The identity of the woman, the nature of the device, and the truth behind this puzzling incident are shrouded in uncertainty. But it certainly fuels our imagination and gives us a tantalizing glimpse into the enigma that is time travel. This leaves us wondering, could time travel really exist? Next, we jet off to 1964, where a photo seems to capture an astronaut in an unlikely place. Brace yourselves as we delve into the intriguing story of the Solway Firth spaceman. This tale revolves around a photo taken by a certain Jim Templeton, a firefighter from Carlisle, Cumberland. On a sunny day in May, Templeton decided to take his wife and daughter for a day out near Berg Marsh. Captivating though the place was, little did he know it was about to become the stage for one of the most talked about mysteries in time travel lore. Templeton, an amateur photographer, was capturing his daughter's innocent frolics against the idyllic backdrop when he unwittingly snapped a piece of history. When the photographs were developed, in one of them, behind his daughter, appeared what looked like a spaceman in full astronaut gear. Quite the unexpected photobomber, wouldn't you agree? Now remember, this was 1964, the height of the space race. Astronauts were celebrities, their suits iconic. Yet how did one end up in a tranquil marsh in England, of all places, and in a photograph no less? The plot thickens as Templeton insisted there were no other people in sight when he took the photo. Kodak, the film's manufacturer, even got involved, examining the photo and declaring it authentic. They could not explain the spaceman either. The story soon caught the public's imagination, and theories abounded. Some proposed it was an extraterrestrial, others suggested a ghost, and of course, there were whispers of a time traveler. Even today, the Solway Firth spaceman photo is a source of fascination, with internet detectives and history buffs offering their own interpretations and theories. So what do you think? Was it a trick of light, a bizarre coincidence, or evidence of an astronaut taking a break from time travel to enjoy the English countryside? This photo continues to baffle experts and enthusiasts alike, adding fuel to the time travel debate. Our next stop takes us to a 400-year-old tomb, where an artifact appears to be far too modern. In the heart of China, nestled in an ancient Ming Dynasty tomb, a discovery was made that sent ripples through the annals of history. Imagine the astonishment of the archaeologists when, within this sealed resting place, untouched for centuries, they unearthed a tiny, seemingly out-of-place artifact. It was a watch, but not just any watch. It bore a striking resemblance to the intricate designs of Swiss craftsmanship, suggesting a possible origin from a time far beyond the Ming Dynasty. Intricately designed, with the word Swiss etched in miniature letters, this watch was no larger than a ring. How could such an item of apparent modernity find its way into a tomb sealed 4 centuries ago? Was it a case of an anachronistic artifact, or is there another explanation waiting to be discovered? This discovery leaves us with more questions than answers. Our journey through these 18 photos has taken us across time and sparked our imagination. We've peered into the past, examining snapshots that seem to defy the laws of time as we know them. From the hipster time traveler who stood out in a crowd with his modern attire, to the inexplicable presence of a cell phone in an era devoid of wireless technology, each image has presented a conundrum that tickles our curiosity. we've delved into the astronaut of Solway, Firth, a figure who materialized in a photograph despite no one else being present at the time of the shot. And we've held our breaths at the discovery of a Swiss watch in an ancient tomb, a relic that should have no place in the timeline where it was found. These instances, each in its own right, hold a certain allure, a siren's call to those of us who dare to dream of time as a fluid, malleable entity. Yet, as we indulge in the exhilaration of these possibilities, we must also remember to ground ourselves in the realm of skepticism. It's a fine balance, isn't it? Between allowing our minds to roam free in the realm of what could be, all the while tethering our beliefs to the world of what is. That is the beauty of exploring the unknown. The dance between skepticism and open-mindedness keeps us on our toes, pushing us to question, to probe, and to learn. It's a dance that fuels our quest for knowledge, driving us to peel back the layers of the universe, one question at a time. In the end, the truth about time travel remains a mystery, but one thing is certain. These photos offer a fascinating glimpse into the unknown and will continue to intrigue us for years to come.